Bitcoin all-time high in 2024. As mentioned in last week's week update, a massive move was expected and happened to the upside. Bitcoin is currently at plus 48k. And will it be able to close above the 47k? If so, next week's candle can be a potential gain of the weekly drop-off point to the lows of the bear market in 2022. A potential weekly gain of this drop-off point will open the gates to a new all-time high, possible in 2024. What can we expect the coming days? Let's find it out in today's technical analysis. Hello people, I'm the NakedTrader, and today I will analyze Bitcoin USDT, CYBERARK software Beam USDT, Mantra DAO USDT, also known as OM USDT, EXPEDIA Group Incorporated, and Ethereum. By the way, if you are not a member of Team NakedTrader yet, would you be so kind to press that subscribe button? I will appreciate it a lot. We have almost 5,000 followers, so if you don't mind, just press it. It will help me a lot. Also, on the way, press that like button. It will also help me a lot. And for now, let's kick off with the weekly performance of the crypto market. Overall, this week's sentiment was green, as you can see. Some massive numbers like Dimension 100%, Beam 49%, Tau 31%, Bunk 29%, all to the upside, and a few red ones. Monero dropped a lot and is currently at minus 26%. I will drop a link in the description also. I've charted this one last Wednesday and is already in profit, about 15%, so check it out guys. And some other red ones, Ronin, which one is this? Jupiter. And from the weekly, let's change to the daily. Today's sentiment also green. Beam 18% up, Link 11, Bitcoin Cash 11. Okay, that's nice. So this is a nice week. From here, let's kick off to CoinMarketCap. Currently 1.82 trillion with a 24-hour volume of 48.45 billion. Currently about 64 days for the halving, and the top 10 coins, and the Fear and Greed index is 67, which indicates greed. And the top 10 coins are Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance, Solana, Ripple, Cardano, Avalanche, and Chainlink. And from here, let's kick off to the weekly performance of the stock market. Overall, mixed sentiment, slightly more green than red. Microsoft went up more than 2%, Apple 1.61%, Google 4.65%, Nvidia more than 9%, TSM 15%, nice. And some financials in red numbers, Telecom in red numbers, AstraZeneca -5%. So utilities in the red numbers. And from here, let's go to the Bitcoin USDT. Let's start at the weekly. Currently 48,130. And if Bitcoin managed to close above this weekly drop off, which caused the low here to the bear market, then next week can be a potential gain. And the gain is fully candle opening and closure above the level. So interesting. From the weekly, let's change to the daily. I'll remove the brushes and I will show last week scenarios. We already have a higher high, The liquidity is gone. And once we reach the 49,000, we will blow through it. Okay, I will remove some levels as they are not important for now anymore. Oh, the brush is still on. Wait. So, and this one can go. This one. Oh, last week I draw some scenarios, and if we go to the 4-hour, there was some resistance here at 43,800, and eventually it broke through where we are now. This one can go, and this one can go. I will go back to the daily. Let's go back in the past. I will add some daily levels here. So, okay. So what can we expect for the coming days? I would still like to see a daily gain above 49,000. If so, this scenario will still be in play. A pullback with a test at 44,256, somewhere around. And if it's rejecting here, then we can test here the 41,049, trying to go up from there. And if it fall below 49,000, no, that's what we don't want to see, then we will test lower, but that's not important for now. Either one of those two scenarios, the break of 49,000 with the daily gain, pullback, entry 44,256, aiming to break the 50,000. Yes, from Bitcoin, USDT, I will go to CYBERARK software, currently at all-time highs. This is the monthly chart. Wow. Okay, I'll add some levels. From the monthly, I will change to the weekly. So we are not going to buy at all-time highs. We will wait for a pullback, and from where it is now, it need to come far down, at least 30% or even more, 35%. Okay, let's change to the daily. Okay, I'll go back to the weekly. So I won't buy it until it fall back to 180 and trying to go up from there. Yeah, this is parabolic price action. Insane over the last few weeks, 81% up, and that is not normal for stock. So I will wait for a pullback at around 35%. Here it's starting to get interesting to enter a position. So yes, from CYBERARK software, I will go to Beam USDT. This is the daily chart. Okay, we don't have much information, but I will start and draw some levels. Currently at 2.5 cents. Okay, from the daily I will change to the 4-hour. Okay, let's go back to the daily, and I will add some scenarios for the coming days. So here the same, we're not going to buy at all-time highs. So pullback around 1.8 cents here. Entry. Let's see how much it is. First target point 13% profit, and then second target point here 26. That's nice. And else I will wait until it go back to the start of the impulse. That is 1.6 cents here. And if it fall below 1.6 cents, then the next test is here at just below 1 cent, the 0.9 cents. Trying to go up from there. So to maintain the upwards momentum, you want to be in either this one or this one. If it goes as low as here, then it lost its range here over here. The range between 1.6 cents and 2 cents. So yeah, I prefer to see one of the two aggressive plays. And from Beam USDT, I will go to Mantra DAO USDT, also at all-time highs. This is the weekly chart. What happened over the last few weeks? It went from 2.4 cents, wow, currently to 31.7 cents, about 1200%. So don't forget to take some profits, people. That's nice. Okay. From the weekly, I will change to the daily. Let's go back in the past. The 24 cents is already tested very aggressive over here. So for here, I will wait either the aggressive play about 16 cents, trying to go up from there. There's a potential play of 47 and more. And else the defensive play is here at 8 cents, 8.8 cents, trying to go up from there. But be aware, I prefer to play this one in price. So at the lower time frame, I want to see this move. The drop off, which caused a low, then a high with a gain of the drop off, and then you can either enter on the first touch, high risk, or more secure play with a higher high, and then you play this one over here. Yes, and from Mantra DAO USDT, I will go to EXPEDIA Group Incorporated, starting at the monthly. Okay. Here was the all-time high. It caused the drop off over here on the monthly. And now it's rejecting this range here at the monthly. But it does have a monthly gain of the whole range here. So testing back, trying to go up, trying to break the range. Okay. I'll add some levels. From the monthly, I will change to the weekly. Okay. Okay. And from the weekly to the daily. Yes, okay. I'll go back to the weekly and I will make a plan for the coming days. So either a pullback, aggressive play around 117, trying to go up from there. The more defensive play is the play of 106. I will aim for this one. Unless it's showing more strength on the lower time frame on the daily, I see a huge red candle here and still not stopping. So else I will want to see a rotation, for example, a gain of the 157, a pullback with an entry at 133, trying to break the 195. And the most defensive play, but we don't want to come here anymore, the 94.15. I'll aim for this one, the play of 106. Nice. Okay, from EXPEDIA Group Incorporated, I will go to Ethereum. Starting at the weekly. So currently, let's see if we can close above the 2480. That is the last high over here. And then it's entering this zone, the zone between 2500 and 3500. Nice green candle this week. From the weekly I will change to the daily. Currently facing some resistance here at 2500. And I will show last week's scenarios. And I will remove the brushes. And here I will do the same. I will remove some levels which are not important for now anymore. Let's clean up a bit. Okay. Okay, this scenario is not valid anymore. This one is still in play. The rejection play of 2518, where it currently is. So you can pick up a short, potential short. And this one is also still in play. The break of 2518, the break of 2618 with a test of, this is the test of 2857 with a pullback entry around 2388. And this one can also happen here, the rejection at 2618. And then it will probably go back to the start of the impulse here. So 3 possible scenarios for Ethereum the coming days. And for now, I want to thank you guys for watching today's episode. If you have any requests, just drop it down in the comments below and I might chart it in the next one. For now, enjoy your Sunday and see you in the next one. Laters.